Can you imagine smashing your head into a tree 20 times every second without ever getting a headache? Woodpeckers do exactly that, delivering up to 12,000 pecks a day, yet their brains remain completely unscathed. The secret lies in their extraordinary anatomy and unique adaptations. First, their skull bones are both thick and spongy, acting like built-in shock absorbers that distribute and dissipate impact forces evenly. Their beaks are slightly uneven, so the upper and lower parts absorb vibrations differently, further reducing the shock transmitted to the brain. Even more fascinating, their long, sticky tongues wrap around their skulls, providing an extra layer of cushioning and support. But it doesn't stop there. Woodpeckers have a minimal amount of cerebrospinal fluid, which prevents their brains from sloshing around during rapid impacts, reducing the risk of injury. Their neck muscles contract milliseconds before each strike, stabilizing their heads and controlling the force of each peck. This remarkable combination of features allows woodpeckers to hammer away at trees for food and nesting, all without suffering the concussions or brain damage that would sideline any other animal. Truly nature's engineering at its finest.